Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to change your address on the Robinhood app. First, make sure you have the Robinhood app installed on your phone. If you're an Android user, download it from the Google Play Store. If you're on iPhone, get it from the App Store. Open the app, log in to your account, and tap the person icon in the bottom right corner to access your account settings. Open the menu by tapping the three lines in the top left corner, then select Settings. Choose Personal Information from the list. Tap the address field, update it to your new address, and hit Save. And that's it. Robinhood may take a little time to verify your new address, especially if it's part of a security update. And that's it. That's how you update your address on Robinhood. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.